So Nature Seekers was formed by a group of concerned community members in Matura with the aim of protecting the leatherback turtle that was being slaughtered and poached on at the point in time. We have since grown to be a recognized NGO with the leatherback turtle as our flagship species. We operate with ecotourism as a tool in conservation, and we have a team of experienced conservation, which has led us to having a few programs like the turtle program, a craft program, a reforestation program, nature tours program, and kayaking up in the Sally Bay River. Some of our more immediate future programs are the hatchling relocation program, the leatherback recovery program. We want to build a turtle building out of wood, and we want to also have a building that is independent of the public utilities, independent of the electricity and water suppliers, yet still we'll have both facilities and the utilities in the building. We also want to have some of our training programs accredited by the national accredited body. So at Nature Seekers, we have grown from a community-based organization to a recognized body, recognized regionally, locally, and internationally. And the bulk of that recognition came from partnering with others, both local, regional, corporate, international bodies. And we have grown from strength to strength through volunteerism. So we think the best way people could assist us is by networking, volunteering, and basically supporting our programs.